Hey students, again welcome back to my channel Anxiety. So hope you all are preparing for your IELTS test. So this video is regarding IELTS test prediction for 17th April 2021. So we already updated the prediction for 10th April for academic and general module. In 17th April we have IELTS test from IDP and British Council for both academic and general module in some centers, and in most of the centers it's academic only test date. Okay, so Saturday 17th April 2021. So here you can see the complete list also. So that's the global list regarding IELTS test on April 2021. But in some centers they are conducting both academic and general module. So in this video I included the prediction for both academic and general module. So if you are going to take your general module test, means you can watch out this video. This will help you out in that too. Let's start out with our prediction video. As usual, from the listening module for both academic and general. So in part 1, you will hear a telephonic conversation. So this is the part with a social topic. Here this time there is a chance to get fill up type of question that will be in the form of one word and or a number. So you need to read the instructions carefully, because here they will ask one word and or a number. So either it will be one word or a number, or it can come together, one word along with a number, like month along with a day. So this part will be an easy one. So in part 2, you will hear a social conversation, and this time there is a chance to get short MCQs along with selection of letters. Selection of letters means for one question they will give options and you want to select according to the instructions. So this part also will be an easy one. Moving on to part 3, you will hear an academic discussion with 3 to 4 speakers, and this time there is a chance to get large MCQs along with match the information type of question. So you will get the information, that means the options in a box, and you want to cross it properly. So this part will be in moderate level, and in part 4 you can expect fill up type of question again, that will be a not completion in one word only. So this part also will be an easy one. So you can expect a little bit fast audio in part 3 and 4. So try to adjust your background speed while you are practicing in YouTube. So overall, your listening section will be easy to moderate. That's completely based on your capability and based on your practice. So try to practice more. Now we'll see regarding the reading module of academic first. So in most of the centers they are conducting academic only test. So in passage 1, you can expect true, false, not given type of question, and also short answer question. That means they will give you the instruction like no more than 3 words. So you can write up to 3 words. Okay, 1 word, 2 word, or up to 3 words. So this passage will be an easy one. Moving on to passage 2, you can expect match the information type of question, that will be in the form of which paragraph contain this information. You will get some information and you want to cross it with which paragraph contain those information. That means the paragraph will be divided into A, B, C, D like that. So you want to select which paragraph contain those information. And they will give you the instruction like you may use any letter more than once. So you can use any letter more than once too. So along with that, you can expect MCQs, that is multiple choice question, and also fill up type of question, that will be in the form of short summary in up to 3 words. This passage will be a little bit tricky, so try to utilize your time properly. Try to spend a little more time in passage 2 if you find it as tricky means. Then in passage 3, you can expect match the information type of question, that will be in the form of options. You want to cross it. Options will be given in a box and you want to cross it, that like a sentence completion like that. Okay, the half of the sentence they will give as a question, and the remaining half you want to select out from the box like that. So you want to cross it. Along with that, you can expect yes, no, not given type of question, and also selection of letters. Selection of letters means you will get 5 to 6 options for one question, and you want to select any 2 from that. So try to read out the instruction carefully. So this passage also will be in moderate level. So utilize your time properly. That means try to finish the easiest passage as soon as possible. Then you will get more time for the remaining ones. So overall, your reading passage will be in moderate level. So try to practice more. Then regarding the general module reading, in section 1, you will get 2 short passages, and this time you can expect true, false, not given type of question. Along with that, fill up, that will be in the form of short not. And about the word limit, no more than 2 words. So you can write up to 2 words. So this section will be an easy one. Moving on to section 2, again you will get 2 short passages. And this time there is a chance to get short answer questions, no more than 3 words or a number. Okay, and along with that, you can expect match the information type of question. That will be in the form of which paragraph contain this information. As I told you before, the passage will be divided into short paragraph, and they will give the heading as ABCD like that. So you want to select which paragraph contain those information. Okay, so this section will be in moderate level. Then in section 3, you can expect a long passage, and you will get the questions in the form of MCQs along with 4 options. So you want to select A, B, C, D like that, which one apt more. And along with that, you can expect selection of letters. That means 2 from 5 options. You want to select any 2 from 5 to 6 options. So you will get 5 options probably. And the last set of question will be fill up type of question. That will be in the form of summary completion in 1 word only. So the section 3 will be in a moderate level. So try to spend more time for section 2 and 3. So overall your reading section will be in moderate level. So try to go through maximum materials. Now we'll see regarding the writing module for academic first. So in task 1 of academic, this time you can expect a bar chart, line chart, table, or the combination of any 2, or else map. That will be a diachronic map either in the morning section or in the evening slot. Then moving on to the general module task 1, you can expect a formal letter. So you need to know how to open up the letter, how to divide the body paragraph, how to end up the letter and all. So in formal letter, no need to use any informal languages. You can't able to use any contractions and all. So take care about that too. So you need to use proper cohesive devices and also proper grammar and good vocabulary in task 1 to score high for both academic and general module. Now we will see regarding the task 2, that will be the essay writing for both academic and general module. So first we will see regarding the academic module, which all type of essay you can expect. So the first category is discussion along with opinion type essay. They will ask discuss both views and state your opinion, or discuss the advantage and disadvantage and state your opinion. So that's the first category. So here it's better to write the third body paragraph with opinion too. Then the second category is opinion type essay. To what extent do you agree or disagree, or do you agree or disagree like that, or is it a positive or negative development? Then the third category is problem solution essay, that is situational type essay. Either they will ask the problem and solution or the causes and effect like that. So these are the 3 category you want to concentrate more in case of academic module. Then in case of general module, you need to concentrate more and more on opinion type essay. So that will be the first preference, opinion type essay. They will ask you, do you agree or disagree, or to what extent do you agree or disagree? Then the second category is discussion type essay. Discuss both views or discuss the advantage and disadvantage. And along with that, you can expect a direct question too, like a 2-part essay like that. You need to answer for the question directly in 2 different body paragraph. Now we will see regarding the essay topics for both academic and general module, that for morning slot and also for evening slot. So the first topic is advertising and also business, related to any company sponsoring, targeting children or not. Then fast food advertisements. Then this advertisement will increase the spending or not, the influence in children and youngsters. Then related to business, small scale businesses, large companies, sports facilities for employees. Then marketing technology, staff uniform, about the salary packages, family run businesses and all. Then the second topic is economy and money, related to the gap between the rich and poor, about the credit cards, debit cards, personal debits, then saving money and the economy. Then related to money saving and all. Then the third topic is education, children and also youngsters. about the disciplines in school, then about the school curriculum, extracurricular activities, exams, assessment, about online platforms for education, then traditional classroom programs, studying abroad, then about homeschooling, then corporal punishments, about the teachers, good teachers need to be intelligent or not, like that, about anything related to education, children behavior, then youngsters and all. Then the next topic is environment, related to pollution, natural beauty spot, deforestation, afforestation, resource depletion, then biodiversity declining, then problems related to environment, that may be any global issues or domestic issues, anything. The next topic is internet, computer and also technology. Anything related to the usage of internet, mobile phones, social media platforms, then internet and education, computer, then security system in online apps, then online shopping, then meeting new peoples in online platforms, then what all are the risk for children in these online platforms and all, anything related to this technology. Then the next topic is media, TV and also leisure time activities, anything related to media, TV sources, channels, the violence in media, whether they will promote the violence in society or not, about the famous people, their rights, then about the radio, then TV influence in our culture and tradition, children and TV viewing hours, anything related to that. I will provide some sample questions for that particular date under this topic, so you can wait for that. So you can prepare more with, and you can expect what type of questions they will ask under each type of topics. Okay, so I hope that will help you out, so I will prepare with that. So the next topic is society and world issues. Anything related to homelessness, about the importance of traditional lifestyle is being lost or not, then people moving from rural to urban areas, then about the suburban areas, society's needs, cultural diversity, happiness, about the generation gap. Okay, that all things you can expect in that. Then any times of world issues, that means overpopulation, then generation issues, global warming, globalization, modernization, the brain drain, anything related to that. Then the next topic is transportation, or else related to tourism also, congestion in cities, about public and private transportation, then increasing car ownership and all. And also government role you can expect in any aspect. So these all are the topic you need to prepare, so try to collect some points under this topic. I will prepare sample questions under these topics too, so stay tuned for that. And if you are interested to join for our online classes, means it's available now. You can catch me in my WhatsApp number provided here. So for more videos you can watch out this space, so try to practice more. So practice and practice, it makes progress in you. So try to collect maximum materials and do it in a regular basis. Try to go through all the 4 modules. So if you like this video, means please give thumbs up, and you can comment your suggestions and share with your friends who are planning to take their IELTS test. So all the very best, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon nearby to get notifications too. Try to select the all options. So all the very best and see you soon. God bless you.